Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and is this the big September curse? Is this the big crash all we are waiting for? We will check this in this video, so stay tuned, let's go! So let's start with this, guys. Here is investing.com. What can we see here? We see a really bad pattern. We are in the weekly time frame, and what can we see? We see here the three black crows are here. Higher reliability that we are going down more and more. What are the three black crows? I will show you this here. We can see it on this, no, not on this, sorry guys, on this article here on Investopia. The three black crows. What are the three black crows? The three black crows is a phrase used to describe a bearish candlestick pattern that may predict the reversal of an uptrend. Reversal of an uptrend. We saw an uptrend here, we saw the bottom, we saw an uptrend. After this uptrend, the first sign was the bearish engulfing, and the next sign, the three black crows. So back to the three black crows. Candlestick charts show the day opening high, low. You know what candlestick charts are showing us. The really important stuff is the three black crows is a bearish candlestick pattern used to predict the reversal of a current uptrend. Yes, of course. Traders use it alongside other technical indicators such as the relative strength index. We'll check this. The size of the three black crows candles and the shadow can be used to judge whether the reversal is at risk of a retracement. Really important, sorry for my bad English. The opposite pattern of the three black crows is the three white soldiers. We don't have it here, we have the three black crows. And here you can see, these are the three black crows. We have three bad downgoing candles in red in our chart picture. And yes, of course, they are here. If you would like to use or to read more about this, visit Investopedia and watch what's going on and read this stuff, guys. Back to the analysis. What can we see here? We are here in a Bitcoin rainbow price chart, and I showed you this since long time. We are still in this basically fire sale zone, in this dark blue zone here. Everything is okay, but will we break down here more? Will we see a September curse? Will we see this breakout like this one here? If we saw a really nice breakout over the upside, over the red zone, will we see the same thing here? It's not impossible, guys. It's really not impossible, because the world is burning, and that's a really big problem maybe. So let's go to the analysis. First of all, guys, we have a really big stuff to watch on the weekly time frame. What can we see? A lot of guys, a lot of influencers, a lot of Bitcoin professors are watching this blue line because it is a long time support. It is an arc. You can see a curve, and you can see the long time support, if we're going down here, is on 10,700 maybe. It is the next big stuff if we are going down more and more. I will show you, I will zoom in a little bit more so you can see better. We are here for the moment, 20,000, and a lot of guys are watching of this point. What is the next thing what speaks for 10,000? It is the M pattern. You can see the start point of the M pattern was here. We saw a breakout over this important resistance. We broke out here, retested, and bam, we made this maybe downgoing M pattern down to 10,000. It is always the start point of the M pattern is always the end point of the M pattern, and that's the next point what speaks about 10,000. Guys, what do I see if I make on this chart picture here, on this weekly time frame, a parallel channel? I see a really bad picture, because parallel channel was like this one. It was a nice green upgoing parallel channel with the middle line. You can see the middle line was working perfectly here as a support. Here support, bam, down again. Here resistance, we broke out to the upside, bam, down again, and we never touched the middle line. So we lost this nice parallel channel to the downside. You can see it here. We lost it. We saw a fight here for weeks, and after this, we lost it. Can we see an uptest and a revisit of this parallel channel again? Can we see a retest of this? It's not impossible, in my opinion, because everyone is waiting for a downgoing Bitcoin price to 10,000. What should the market makers make now? They should make a big leg to the upside, maybe to revisit this parallel channel. All stop losses would be hunt. All guys they are short would be hunt, and they will go up again. And after this, maybe the crash. It's not impossible, and I think that's a next move that's really, really possible. I know it, guys. We have this 3 black crows on the weekly time frame. I know it, guys, but it's not impossible to see maybe a next leg to the upside. That's one thing what I'm waiting for. What I will like to show you also here, guys, that's this stuff. I spoke about the September curves. A lot of guys are speaking, if they are speaking over Bitcoin, and if they are checking Bitcoin, speaking of the September curves. Guys, it's easy. Let me show you. This is the Bitcoin time frame from 2012 up to now 2022. I will make a line here on every September. Here was a September. Let's make a line. Let's make the next line on the next September. It was here. Let's take a next line on the September. It was here. And the next one, it was here. Okay, and so on and so on and so on. One more. It was here again. So, okay, what can we see? We see this September was a downgoing price for Bitcoin. Okay, we can see this line for September, it was a downgoing line. What can we see? Here it was an upgoing nice line. We can see it since this point we started a nice pump to the upside. 1 year, nice pump to the upside. Here we saw a downgoing price. Here we saw an upgoing price. So I can't see a September curse here. I can see really nice moves to the upside with the beginning of September here. So in my opinion, this September curse is not confirmed for Bitcoin. Everything is possible on September. We saw nice legs to the upside. Okay, yes, we saw some legs to the downside, but here a little one, here a bigger one, here a start to the upside, here a move to the downside, here a move to the upside. So this is not a sign for a curse, in my opinion. Please write it in the chat. What do you think about this? Guys, this is a fast update for Bitcoin. This is my meaning about the long term. Today, I'm not making a longer video. You can see the M pattern is not impossible. 10,000 down again. And one thing, guys, I'm waiting for is maybe this point. It is the W pattern. Let's check this on the daily time frame. And you can see start point of the W pattern is 30,000, 32,000, down, up again, 25, down, the next leg to the downside, what we are making now, here the bottom maybe, and then the next move to the upside. This will kill all stop losses. So why not up again to 30,000? And after this, maybe the move to the downside. I know the world is burning, and that's the bad thing for Bitcoin. That's really bad to make technical analysis, because technical analysis is good if the world is not burning. We have nice patterns to the upside, to the downside, but for the moment is really hard to make this. 19,900 for the moment. Let me check one indicator, and that's the, let me show you, relative strength index. It's too much here. Okay, we need to close something. Before we close, this is the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band is showing us we are in a bad downgoing, in this red bad downgoing trend. You can see we saw a nice bottom building maybe, but we lost it and we are going down again. Bollinger Band is not looking so good here on the daily time frame. You can see it here. We're going down really hard. Let's check Golden Cross, Death Cross. It's not so important. Let's check the buy sell indicator. And what can we see? We saw a nice sell signal here. After this, we went down. So this sell signal was perfect, really perfect. Now we are waiting for a buy. We are waiting for the green dots here. We have no green dots here. You can see this also here on my live stream, guys. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. And you can see here the same stuff. We saw a sell signal here, really nice. After this, we went down. Now we are waiting. MACD is here on the downside. And you can see we are waiting for a cross. We need a next green one to the upside. It is possible. It is possible to make the next leg to the upside with this W pattern. Not impossible. So, okay, guys, I will not to speak too much today. Maybe the next video is following soon. And I hope you can enjoy this, and I hope you can use this information, what I gave you or what I give you, for your own tradings. Guys, this is not a financial advice. Have a nice time. Thanks, and Please give me a thumbs up to the upside if you like it. Give me a nice comment if you like my analysis, and love your Biti, your Bitcoin trading implement. Bye, guys.